This is my hostile situation right now. This fat human sausage will not shut up. It's been like this for 3 hours. I have to be up in 3 hours. I can't get any sleep. Sounds like a bear mauling someone. A garbage truck tearing up the garbage. Oh my god. I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do. This fat fuck needs to get some help for his sleeping problems. Look at him barely being able to breathe. My god, these are the risks of staying in shared dorms. Do not stay in shared dorms or you're faced with absolutely no sleep. If you get one of these live human sausages in your room. God, for God's sakes, cover yourself. How is he absolutely unaware of what he's doing? It's so sad. And fucking annoying. Can't do this anymore. Oh my god. Look at that. Draw me like one of your French girls pose.